Hello everyone. Today we're gonna review this 2014 beautiful Honda Accord. This is a V6 with EXL trim, so basically it's loaded with options. And if you go to our website at azcars.us, you can check the Carfax history on this vehicle. It comes previously certified as a previously certified vehicle. I assume it has been a family vehicle because it's well maintained, clean inside, and as usual we'll work our way to interior of the vehicle, starting from the outside. Okay, so starting from the front of the vehicle, I can see that the headlights are slightly seasoned. The bumper is pretty clean. This is watermarks from the probably some rain remnants there, but besides some scuff marks, and you see these paint chips here, which is normal. This is plastic, nothing to worry about. Besides those and headlights needing some cleaning, I don't see any issues. The tires are new. We have put these tires on to basically make sure that we meet all the safety standards. I think this center cap is missing. We ordered that. That's gonna come in. The door is pretty clean. I see a scuff. This is a tree sap here. It has a side turn signals, and you have a chip here. Okay, so no paint damage. I can see the protective shields there. That's good. Rear tires, this is a Michelin. It's good tread on them. They are not new, but there's a really good tread on them. The rear bumper, I can see some parking damages here. So this is a paint chip, and this has been scuffed. Okay, but chrome is good. This is a V6. As you see, we got two exhaust outputs. On the passenger side, paint is real good. Oh, I can see some scratches here. This is probably tree or something, and also a scratch here as well. This has been basically covered with touch-up paint. You gotta look at it closely to see the issue, but the body itself is good, but the paint has been scratched off. This is the camera I was referring to. This is a side view camera. When you're making a right turns or when you have your turn signal on, it shows you the whole side of the vehicle on a central dash. Okay, front tire is new. All right, so from exterior it's pretty solid. Of course there are some chips and things, and especially on the rear bumper. The roof is pretty good. This is a full functional moonroof. We're gonna test it as well. All right, as usual, let's jump in the car and get it started, and then we can test all the functionalities and the engine on it. Okay, so it comes with a smart key, keyless entry, keyless start. You just need to keep it in your pocket. Okay, I'll just throw it inside the car for now. Starts right away. 109,875 miles on it. Let's call it 110. We will look into these functionalities just in a bit, and let's pop up the hood, check the engine first, and get back to our windows and other controls. AC is on, it blows ice cold, and this comes with automatic climate control. Really clean, no noises, no leaks, no burns. Like I said previously, pre-certified vehicle, certified pre-owned vehicle, so it has a good history on it. So we'll check the interior, but before we do, let's check the window controls. All right, right rear, right front, full automatic, left rear, and left front, full automatic. Comes with memory seat, leather, in pretty good condition. There is some wear here, but no tears. Some wear here as well. This is normal. Power seats, obviously, and memory seats as well. So let's check the other doors. Getting in from the rear driver's side, leather is in pretty good condition. That it doesn't show any signs of wear or tear. Here I can see signs of a car seat, but other than that, it's in pretty good shape. No issues whatsoever. Okay. Checking the trunk. Good thing is, I like how they finally put something on in the rear to open the trunk from the back rather than having to walk in. Pretty huge compartment here, and underneath this weather protective tab you have the donuts. Okay, all right, getting in from the rear passenger side. Again, everything is clean. There is small scratch here, but not a big damage. Some scratches here. Like I said, it's probably been a family vehicle, right? No signs of wear and tear here. Leather is in pretty great shape. And the passenger side, by the way, I mentioned earlier, but this is a smart entry, so keyless entry on both passenger and the driver's side. Okay, there is a scratch here, but it hasn't worked its way in. It's just shading out, that's why. But it's pretty solid. And some wear marks here, but no tears. And it's also fully automatic. Okay. All right, awesome. So let's get in. It's getting hot outside, and let's check the functionalities that it comes with. Let's start from a moonroof. Okay. So you have sliding option. All right, and let's close it. And then we also have tilt. If you press up, it tilts. Press forward, it closes. Okay, so starting our way in. So it comes with a I think that this is lane control, and it also comes with FCS system, which is basically front collision warning. So this is lane departure warning, and FCW is front collision warning. You can turn the economy drive on. It is a V6 on a highway. It's gonna give you great gas mileage. On lower speeds, it's not gonna give you the best MPG, but it's pretty comfortable. It makes huge difference between the V6 and 4-cylinder engines in terms of the level of comfort, in terms of picking up the vehicle from start, and especially on highways. This gives you great MPG and great comfort. These are your controls to the center dash. Okay, right from here. And these are your cruise controls, of course, automatic headlights. Let's put them on auto, and windshield wiper controls. The dashboard, we looked at it earlier, it is pretty clean. The key battery sign is blinking. We'll need to change the battery on the key itself. Nothing much to say here, but and I said, like, the front collision warnings will come on, and usually you have radar, and not usually, but here you have radar behind this. All right, so this is aftermarket backup camera. They've installed it here. Okay. Center dash, this allows you to control your display settings and audio and phone connectivity. You got basically sources of audio input. If your phone is connected, you can connect to your Pandora, and I assume this is CarPlay. I'm not sure. This is Apple CarPlay as well. Climate control, fully automatic. This is also heated side view mirrors, and this is a great feature to have, especially when it hits cold months and the foggy days. This is backup camera control, power outlet, I would say, aux and USB inputs, heated seats, shifters here, center console, and gives you additional outlet as well. Okay, and before I forget, I mentioned the turns camera. So you see, when I have the turn signal on, it comes on and shows me if there are any vehicles or any obstacles on the right side of the vehicle. Also, there's a button here. When you press it, it comes on and stays on until you press it one more time. Just kind of gives you the view of what's happening on the right side of the vehicle. Okay. What else? Let's check. Your books are here, the manuals are here, and you have the start key. Basically, this is a lug nut to protect your wheels from being taken away without that. All right. Ability to control your tailgate, and that's it. Pretty clean vehicle, great history on it, drives like new. It has a premium audio as well. Definitely come check it out. Go to our website to check out the Carfax and detailed photos of the vehicle. Any questions, please give us a call. We'll be happy to have you with us, test drive this vehicle and take it home. Thank you for watching.